How to remove unwanted objects from photos in InShot. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open your InShot application, then import a photo, then tap on this peep option, add the same photo, fit it to the frame like this, then tap on edit, then tap on this mask, select any of the grid you want. I'll select the circle one and select what you want to cover the unwanted image with. Tap on it, then you have made this. Let me remove this ST with this triangle and done. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any queries, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.